So a few days ago, some people contacted me that they wanted to develop an online Arabic school, like something like an online makaranta or an online darsa. So I quickly had a conversation with them, and then in no time I just went straight to Namecheap to buy my hosting and then my domain. And then the domain we bought was noislamnow.org, and then we quickly set up the WordPress dashboard, and then I quickly started building the homepage with Elementor and then other features that I deploy. So I quickly developed. Initially I made something like this. They said they don't like this template, so I have to go back, and then I did all this modification, and then finally came out with this interface. They liked it, and then quickly set up the courses, pre-recorded courses, and then we set up the pages and everything, the payment method and all those things. So all you have to do is, how the site works is that you just go to the website, enter the URL noislamnow.org, and then you land into the home page. You can see these buttons: start learning, explore courses, and all that. They are all functional. You can see all these courses: 40 hadiths, how to read Quran in 20 days, and all those other courses that are available. And then we have this browse all features that will take you all the courses that are available on the website. And then we have this short information, and then we have this testimonial, and then we have the footer as well. So this is just a simple in short how the website looks like. So let me just go to browse all courses. So it will give you all the list of all the courses, and then you can sort the courses according to how or what you want. You can sort according to categories, you can sort according to prices, you can sort according to new oldest courses that have been on the platform. And it's amazing to see that already people are enrolled into this course. You can see this one has this number of people enrolled in it. People are already enrolled in this one. For instance, has about 5 people, this one about 4, this one has about 7, so in that order. So currently the website is working and functionable. All you just have to do is you just click on the course that you want to enroll, and then it will expand and give you more details about the course and what to expect, what you are going to learn, and all that. So you see, this is how it looks like. This is about the course, what you will learn, and these are the course contents. So the moment you subscribe, you have access to all this. So all you just have to do is you add it to your cart, and then you buy it. You buy this course with using your Momo. You just have to it's been connected to a Momo line. You just make the payment. You have access to the course. But when you go to this website as a user, you just have to sign up. You first of all have to sign up, create an account, sign up, and then you go to the course list, and then you can just purchase the course and then make your payment, and you have access to the course. So let me just show you. So let me just show you the dashboard. When you sign in into the course, this how it looks like. You have this profile, enroll. You see the number of courses that you have enrolled, your wish list, your reviews, your quiz. You can even write quiz, and then the system will mark it for you. You can answer questions. You can ask your tutors questions, and they will respond to you and all that. So these are just few things that you can just do on the website. So this is it. So all this, and then all this, and then we are good to go. So this is just few features on the website, and then you can also edit or modify your profile and all that in no time. It took me about 24 hours, less than 24 hours. I was able to set up all these things, and the WooCommerce, the payment method, and everything was set up, and then people can actually enroll and then start learning, and people are already learning. So this opportunity for you. If you happen to miss connecting yourself with God, with Allah, this is opportunity for you. You can sit at the comfort of your house anytime you want. You just have to sign up, enroll, and then start learning. You can read anytime you want, and then the tutors are always available all the time, answer your questions. They even have a WhatsApp platform that whatever course that you enroll in, there's a WhatsApp platform to them just to get you closer to them. You communicate very easily. And then I also made a customized webmail that people can just send information to them, info@knowislamnow.org. You send message within 24 hours, you receive your reply, and then everything is set. So guys, explore this opportunity. Enroll now on knowislamnow.org and then start learning your Arabic and then Quran. Also, I'm open to any other project. If you have any other project that you want to enroll or you want to bring out or you want somebody to work with, I'm open. I can work with you, whatever kind of project that you want. You can build website, develop softwares, graphics, edit videos and all that. You can bring all to me. I'll do it for you at very, very affordable rates. So it's your guy again. So I'm open. You can reach out to me by my message, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp by message on 0241 590089, 0241 590089, or you can just send me a message on any of my various social media handles at aswenga.com, and I'll attend to you. Bring your projects. Just relax. Do you have any idea that you wish it can be implemented? Just bring it to me. Sit back and relax. I will bring it to life for you. Yes. So, salam. And remember to follow me on all social media handles. Remember, I share a whole lot of tips on how to make things happen online, how to maneuver and navigate your way through the internet. There are so many people that are using the internet, but they are not benefiting from it. I share tips on how to earn, how to make good use of the internet, how to make money out of internet, and all those things. So remember to keep following me for more tips and gists. Thank you.